Welcome to Read with Muffin. Today in this video we are going to read about the characteristics of anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria. So the characters that we are going to look in this video of anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria are major photosynthetic pigment, which is the major photosynthetic pigment in that particular bacteria, then location of that photosynthetic pigment, where does that photosynthetic pigment is present in the bacteria, then who is acting as photosynthetic electron donor, okay, and then where the sulfur deposition is happening, and at last what is the metabolic type. So these are the characters that we are going to look at of different anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria. So let's start with purple sulfur bacteria. In purple sulfur bacteria, the major photosynthetic pigment is bacteriochlorophyll A or bacteriochlorophyll B. Okay, these are the major photosynthetic pigments found in purple sulfur bacteria. The location of this photosynthetic pigment is either plasma membrane or chromatophore. Okay, in purple sulfur bacteria, you will find this photosynthetic pigment in plasma membrane, or you will find them in chromatophore. Then the photosynthetic electron donor in the purple sulfur bacteria are hydrogen, H2S and sulfur. Okay, these are the photosynthetic electron donors in purple sulfur bacteria. Then the sulfur deposition in purple sulfur bacteria happens inside the cell, and the metabolic type is photolithoautotrophs. Okay, purple sulfur bacteria are photolithoautotrophs. Now let's look at the characteristics of purple non-sulfur bacteria. The major photosynthetic pigments are found in purple non-sulfur bacteria are bacteriochlorophyll A or bacteriochlorophyll B. Okay, these are the major photosynthetic pigments. Then the location of the photosynthetic pigment is again either plasma membrane or chromatophore. Then the photosynthetic electron donor in purple non-sulfur bacteria is organic compounds, reduced sulfur compounds or H2S. The sulfur deposition happens outside the cell in few cases, and the metabolic type is photoorganoheterotrophs. Okay, so these are the characteristics of purple non-sulfur bacteria. This purple non-sulfur bacteria, you can also call it as photoorganoheterotrophs. Now let's look at the properties of the green sulfur bacteria. Now the major photosynthetic pigment in green sulfur bacteria are bacteriochlorophyll A plus C, bacteriochlorophyll D or bacteriochlorophyll E. Okay, these are the major photosynthetic pigments found in green sulfur bacteria. Then the location of this photosynthetic pigment is in the plasma membrane or chlorosomes. Okay, so in your green sulfur bacteria, the photosynthetic pigments are either found in plasma membrane or chlorosomes. Then the photosynthetic electron donors in green sulfur bacteria are H2, H2S or S. Okay, these act as the photosynthetic electron donors in green sulfur bacteria. Then sulfur deposition happens outside the cell, okay, in green sulfur bacteria, and the metabolic type is photolithoautotrophs. Okay, you can call green sulfur bacteria as photolithoautotrophs. These are the characteristics of green sulfur bacteria. Now let's look at the properties of green non-sulfur bacteria. Okay, the major photosynthetic pigment in green non-sulfur bacteria are bacteriochlorophyll A and bacteriochlorophyll C. These are the major photosynthetic pigments found in green non-sulfur bacteria. then the location of the photosynthetic pigment in green non-sulfur bacteria is either plasma membrane or chlorosomes. Okay, that's the location of photosynthetic pigments. Then the photosynthetic electron donors in green non-sulfur bacteria are sugars, amino acids, and organic acids such as H2S and H2, because these are the photosynthetic electron donors in green non-sulfur bacteria. And the metabolic type of green non-sulfur bacteria is mostly photoheterotrophs. So thank you for reading with Muffin. That's all for this video.